If you want to see how I achieve this quick and easy wash and go, just keep on watching. Hey fam, so for today's style I'll be using the Camille Rose Coconut Water Leave-In and the Wetline Extreme Gel. As usual, I'm starting off by spraying my hair with water because it is the best moisturizer. Then I'm going to go in with my leave-in. So I'm going to ensure that I properly detangle my hair. You want to ensure that your hair is detangled when you're doing a wash and go. It's my first time using this Wetline Extreme Gel and I'm super excited to see the results. So I'm actually going to start applying the gel from the roots because I want to lay my roots flat. I don't want my wash and go to look too puffy after it is done. I'm going to go in by using the shingling method. As I said earlier, it's a quick and easy wash and go. If you want a more defined look, definitely go in with smaller section. Don't start with a large section like I did, but now I'm just doing the shingling method, as you can see, and wrapping the hair around my finger as I go. I actually co-wash my hair for this style, so whenever I'm doing wash and goes, I like to co-wash my hair instead of going in with a full wash day routine, because after a week I'm going to go straight with a full wash day routine just to get rid of the gel. So I must confess that my hair felt a little bit different. I'm used to using the Eco Styler gel for my wash and go, and I was a bit worried if I've used too much leave-in because I did not want any flakes or anything, but in the end you will find out that definitely I didn't use too much leave-in or anything like that. So I'm just continuing with the shingling method. So at this moment in time, I did not apply the leave-in because I wanted to see how my hair would feel without the leave-in. It was my first time using the gel and it felt a bit different, a little heavy. So in this section, I did not use the leave-in, I only used the gel alone, and my hair indeed felt the same way as if I use the leave-in. So for the rest of my hair, I just go in with the leave-in and the gel, because you want to ensure that your hair is moisturized for a wash and go, because sometimes the gel can be a little bit drying. But if you want a more defined look, as I mentioned earlier, you can start wrapping the hair around your fingers, starting from the roots, so that you have a more defined look. But today, or should I say the day of doing this hairstyle, was the day of my birthday, and I did not want to spend a long time doing my hair, because when you're doing the more defined look, it does take a while. So I'm basically repeating the steps here. And for wash and goes, you want to ensure that your hair is soaking wet to get the best results. So whenever my hair feels a bit dry or not wet enough, I will go in and add water again. so add as much water as needed. So now, as you can see, I'm going to use a clip to kind of lay my roots a little bit flat and kind of stretch my hair a little bit while I finish the rest of my hair. So I'm just using a different spray bottle because the other one wasn't giving me enough water. And so at this front section of my hair is a different type, it's 4B, and the gel was definitely doing something. I really like that. So as it regards to my hair type, I have a little bit of 4B in the front and a little bit of 4B in the back, and then the rest of my hair is 4C mixed with a little bit of 4B now and then. But I will say that my hair is mostly 4C and with a little bit of 4B. And as you can see, I'm doing the shingling method. And also, just to mention, if you don't know and if this is your first time watching a wash and go, there are two methods that I'm familiar with, the raking method and the shingling method. And in this video, I'm actually doing the shingling method. So I'm going to finish the other side of my hair off camera. Okay guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. So I'm going to shake it up. I put some castor oil at the ends because to kind of help reduce the tangling. Alright, so this is the grand finale. So I know that this looks crazy, but this shaking of my head, well, I'm a little bit extra. Please don't shake your hair that hard, you know. But this is going to allow my curls to separate and to give me a more defined look. So you're going to see that doing this was worth it in the end, but it made me so dizzy. Let me give you a closer look of my curls. My curls are popping. Come on, somebody. Yes, I'm definitely loving this look. And as you can see right here, the curls are definitely tighter than the curls at the front. So I'm actually going to lay my edges with the same gel. So this is a semi-finished look. I'm going to let it dry and then let you guys see how it's looking when it's dry. This gel really surprised me and I'm really liking it. Because I want the side part to be pronounced, I'm going to use a clip and then kind of clip the side lay the edges first, and then I'm going to put a clip at the side just to secure my hair a little bit so I can have a side part look. And this is the finished look. My hair is about 50% dry at that point in time. It's been a while since I did a wash and go, and right here I use heat to stretch my hair a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you all. See you in my next one. Bye.